JJ from Rezt+Relax Interior. This is my colleague Jing Yu.
Hi everyone, I'm Jing Yu. Today we are going to share with you guys our latest project at PropNex headquarters. Come on, let's go. The theme that we propose is a modern futuristic design that gives a really clean and sleek feel. We carved the reception counter into hexagonal shape using different type of material to bring out the luxury feel.
Over here, we have our discussion rooms. You can occupy into 6 persons. Now we are in the bulk rooms. We have a giant TV for the presenter, and guess what? We have this privacy. Feel stressful? Over here we have our coffee counter with the new coffee machines. We have a hidden TV just behind this giant glass. Over here, we have our free seating area. We have a giant PropNex logo to give audience a big impact. We have 3 sets of bar counter seatings to bring the traditional feel of the cubicles. And over here, we have a low seating arrangement to suit the different needs. For the futuristic look, we propose the lighting feature to break the olden traditional walkway design. And over here is our home of our champions to display their monthly achievements.
For this part of the walkway, we have the milestone mural wall to display all their history and also their achievement throughout the years. Come, let's go to the Achievers Lounge.
We are at Achievers Lounge mainly for director speech and some trainings. We have our smart touchscreen. We have these glass panels which can divide the space into 2 different areas. We have a small discussion room. We design motorized blinds which can be adjusted the brightness. Same goes to the lightings.
Today I'm really overwhelmed as I stand in our newly renovated office, and I'm extremely thankful to Rezt+Relax and their team of designers. Of the many selection that we had, Rezt+Relax came out tops in their design concept to create the feel, the environment that is not only futuristic, yet it is convenient and comfortable. And I must say, I was really impressed with the details going into every corners to say how every place that we renovate makes sense to the end user. And most important, I'm again thankful simply because they delivered it on time. And we just hope our agents will grow. We are excited and wish everyone the very best. Also to Rezt+Relax, wonderful job. Well done, keep up.